And this is exactly how we starting the vlog off. I have to pee so bad. Is that what it is? Wait, is it this one? Mail first. This the one everybody craving about. Let me see what it smells. That do smell good. Okay. So now we over here by the face mask. I'm trying to see which one did I get last time. But I think it's definitely this one. Wait, is it this one? No, I don't think this was the one. Because I was going to say this was it, but it was bigger than this and it said matcha. This is not matcha. Let me make sure. Hold on. Next time report target. It is. Oh, this is matcha. They got it in different packaging. See, you said matcha tea extract. I was going to say, what? But this is definitely the one. And they got so many of them, y'all. I looked up, like, how many times do you do this, like, a week? And I think it's, like, once a week or twice a week. So I think I'm just going to stick with one. This one's, like, for caffeine. This is eye mask, though. I don't need no eye mask. Not for real. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Excuse me. But, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Man, that looks just so fun skating on ice. But it's too cold to be doing that. Oh, they trees out. This is cute. Hey, girls. Finally, I can get y'all a proper intro. Hold on. I'm gonna zip this one close. I don't want to be all in our business. Okay, finally I can give y'all a proper intro. Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angelbreunna. If you're still first time seeing my face, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Ooh, y'all, I gotta pee so bad. And this is exactly how we starting the vlog off. I have to pee so bad. Not to mention we in front of a gas station right now, so I can go in there and use it. But girl, I'm not using a... Yeah! We love that. But I'm not using a public restroom because no, it just don't give the vibes that we need to give. But hopefully we on the way home because I have to pee so bad. I can't go nowhere else. I need to go pee. Y'all, we was in the sitting room for at least 2 hours. Girl, them people was in there for hilarious, but I pee so woo! Yeah. But y'all, I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna pick up the camera back probably when we go home or when we do something else. But I have to piss. Bye, girl. Okay, y'all. So I know y'all see the little short clip of the bucket at Walmart and then the bucket at the groceries. Y'all, this is future me. Everything that was in that bucket, we left that bucket right there. We got nothing out of Walmart, y'all. Because I mean, typical Walmart, they had 391 people and one line open. Y'all, I was in a tight so bad when I was telling y'all about that clip. Girl, they bathrooms were so trifling. When I say trifling is not even a word. Just Walmart behavior. That's all I can say. 0 out of 10, never recommend. I'm looking for the cookies. Do they have like any Christmas cookies? Like everybody had like the Halloween cookies, but they don't have any Christmas cookies. The best you're gonna get from this is probably a sugar cookie. They got birthday cake, but it's not Christmassy. Which one? I think I'm gonna do the birthday cake and chocolate chip. Why is it not moving though? At all. Instead of the cookies, I'm definitely gonna go with these cinnamon rolls. Because it was just like I was settling for that. No, they do have a Christmas set. Look. Festive frosted sugar cookie chip. What? Oh, I think we might do these. Okay, let me get an egg from the bag. Alright, cool. Yeah, I love Publix and these paper bags, but girl, when you got a lot of groceries and you trying to put all this in the car, it'd be a lot going on. I love they bags. This girl's class. Ooh, I done ripped about 30 bags, y'all. And then we got the big boxes of hot chocolate, and we got the cookies. So, baby, it's gonna give a very festive video. Here. And that's how you do it. Oh, move back. Okay. To take all this in the house real quick. Okay, y'all, I don't want to show y'all too much of going on because this pantry looks a mess right now. So we're not going to just stay in here for too long. I just wanted to show y'all like some of the stuff we got. But again, this pantry looks a mess right now. So not too much. Okay, guys, we're going to start from over here. I didn't take this stuff out the bag yet. So yeah, we got the blueberry kind. Me personally, I don't like it, but yeah. Saltfish chipotle. I seen this on somebody's YouTube video. Chicken grilling and onion and herbs, and then just 2 Velveeta cookies, cranberry orange. These hit. And then regular blueberry. Blueberry is my favorite. Next bag, we got cinnamon toast crunch, my favorite cereal of all. And Cheerios, the best cereal. This is the popular drink I was showing y'all, raspberry rose. I tasted the watermelon ones. It just tastes like juice. But that's pretty much it for that one. In here, we just have fruit. I'm not going to get into that because, well, actually, we have watermelon and then we have some grapes. I put this all in the refrigerator. I put the refrigerator. I pretty much didn't take out because we got to go in the refrigerator, but I got me some of these turkey links, turkey sausage links. I love these. Some Naked Juices, I got the strawberry ones. Green Machine is actually really good. And then I got another strawberry. Sour cream, the holiday cookies. I told you I need to put it in the refrigerator like now. Some strawberry fruit bars. That's just orange juice in that one. And this one is full of cheese. And y'all, this cheese will be getting froze. And then enough cookies coming up. So, yep. And then another orange juice down there too. Get through this real quick. Got some eggs, the marshmallow kind, and then the regular milk chocolate kind. Another poppy, which is great. We have the orange kind. More cereal, y'all. Let me put y'all on real quick. These right here, bust. I don't even like chocolate, and it busts. We got my auntie seasoning. Period. These dippers right here. Some peanut butter cookies. They literally love these cookies, y'all. They alright. More cereals, as y'all see. I hate saying cereals with the S. Cereals. These right here bust as well. And some pickles. I got some ranch. And that's pretty much this whole haul, y'all. Oh, I forgot. And we just got a bag of potatoes. And that's pretty much it, y'all. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it for like the haul and stuff. I'm gonna put these groceries up and I'm gonna take off these clothes so I can just get more comfortable. And I'm gonna hit y'all back when I'm done doing that. Hey girls, just gonna start the vlog back up. It is like a couple hours later from the last clip, y'all. I legitimately just got like calmed down and just chilling. I took the dog on a walk and everything. I got some pizza right here. I'm gonna give me some ranch and I'm gonna eat my lunch real quick, and then after that we're gonna go to the store to get what I need for some chili, and then we're gonna make some chili tonight. Y'all, this is like my third time making chili. I'm not making chili. I'm not gonna make a big bowl of it because I literally just want some chili cheese fries, but I might do chili and cornbread just for tonight and then do the chili cheese fries tomorrow. We're gonna see. I'm just rambling right now, but whew, calm down. But I'm gonna get ready to eat, y'all, and then when we go to the store and stuff to get the chili, I'm gonna take y'all with me. But this is gonna be pretty much the vlog gonna be like. So yeah, stay tuned, girl. Whew, I thought we was going to Publix. We at Kroger. Whew. Okay, y'all, I'm trying to see if I want to do the mild chili or the hot chili. I think the hot might be way too hot, so I'm doing mild. Let's see how many packets I need. So I'm just here making a little bit. I'm just gonna do one pack, y'all. Well, I'm gonna get two just to be safe. Okay, yeah. We're gonna see who's gonna win. Hold on, ready? On the mark, get set. Wait, you gotta come back. On the mark, get set. Go! Got the ground beef. Oh, I heard that, baby.